I'm Toby, and this is Sea Life. So tell us your plan for the day.
The plans for today is we got to start working on getting sheep off from the other property
Why?
because they sold the house
Yay!
and the, and we're not sure that the next people would actually like us to have our animals there because they'll probably want to have their own animals there.
Well, we have some very friendly little chicks. This one's a little too friendly. And she wants to peck my toe, I think. And they're happy little chicks this morning, just so happy. Oh, beautiful. They're getting prettier and prettier. The old rooster's just wishing he could get in here already, and we're going to have to do something with him. That little thing did come pecking my sandal. I tell you what, she is a warrior chicken or something. She is wild. Then look at her. Oh, no, you don't. No, you don't. Oh, dear. Don't know what to think about that one. She's thinking she's or he. Maybe it's a little rooster. Who knows? No, you don't. No, you don't. No. There you go. Eat your pepper. No. No. I'm telling you what, I have never experienced a chick like this. Go on. Go on. Go. I guess we better train him early. If it is a little rooster, we better train him. He's getting kind of mean. Guys, the farm sold, and the gentleman said that we had borrow our sheep. Said that it was the sheep keeping the property nice like this that actually sold the place. So that's amazing and they did an excellent job keeping it mowed and looking nice. So every time someone came to look, it was a beautifully groomed area. And so today we've got our trailer, and we're loading out the bags of feed and all the stuff that we had in the barn to take care of our sheep. And that's what we're doing right now. And it's just and also as we're taking the sheep, getting ready to move the sheep, we're getting them a shearing, and so all of them will be ready for growing their winter fur in, their winter wool in, and get ready for the next season. We have a beautiful friend, the one who loaned us the tractor, who is also invited us to have our sheep there at her place again. So they're going to be over there. They're going to have a couple of little calves over there to be friends with. And that is going to be beautiful. I think it's going to be amazing. And she said it'd be great to have her front yard nice and groomed all the time too. So this is beautiful. So this will give us a chance to go get all those old bales of hay and roll them out and start making us some really nice pasture area for them before before lambing time, hopefully. So that'll be we may not lamb this year. We may or may not. We're looking for a newborn or a young little ram that we can wait to get 8 months old and put in with the whole herd so that we don't have any interbreeding in our lambs. So we will start looking to trade sheep or trade rams, and looking for the new little rams, the new little ram for this next season. So there we go. Yeah, we had quite a little bit of feed and stuff in here. They've been over here quite a while this place was in the was listed. They've been over here for quite a while, and they've kept this little pasture very nice. It's right here with the paddock, this little paddock, and the home area. They kept very, very nice, and yeah, you just couldn't beat it. Nobody had to work hard. I think we mowed once, you may have seen, and gosh, I think they were over here about 6 months, so at least. So that's very nice. It's emergency haircut day again, and we're trying to I guess we have 10 ewes that really haven't shed good enough, and we've got to try and go ahead and get them sheared before we move them. Super thick hair, and she just has decided to just sit still and get her hair cut, which is so nice. Jacob's about wore out. This is the 4th sheep today that was sheared. No, not a professional job in any sense of the word, but it's great for emergency shearing, cooling them off, and we're going to be using the wool for insulation. Little tuft that she has, and you can see how thick that fur was beside her tail. That fleece was about 4 inches, I think, 3 to 4 inches of fleece, and we're just doing the best we can with it. Of course, like I said, we are not professional, but we're just trying. And this is our 4th sheep day that we're shearing. And she's doing very well now. She's almost used to it.